Ms. Pradna Burmanu, Assistant Professor in the Department of Computer Engineering of AISSMS IOIT. Welcome you all. Today we are going to discuss about clustering. Clustering is the task of grouping a set of objects in such a way that the objects in the same group, we call it as a cluster, are more similar to each other in some of the sense or another than to those in other groups, which are again we are saying a cluster. So here you can see an example of clustering analysis. Here it is showing the coloring squares which are divided into three different clusters. One is in a red color as one cluster, another is in yellow color as a one cluster, and in blue color is a cluster. So this is what we are saying it is a clustering is. The clustering is a main task in data mining, and it's a technique for a statistical data analysis. It can be used in different fields including the machine learning, pattern recognition, image analysis, information retrieval, and bioinformatics. The clustering analysis is not a specific algorithm, but it is a general task to be solved. This can be achieved by various algorithms that differs with the notations of what constitute a cluster and how to efficiently find them. This clustering it can be formulated as a multi-objective optimization problem. There are different researchers employed different cluster models, and for each of these models, again there are different algorithms. So while studying or understanding these models is nothing but understanding these different uh, various algorithms or difference between these various algorithms. So a clustering model uh, includes the connectivity models, centroid models, distribution models, density models, subspace model, group model, and graph-based models. So if we consider the connectivity model, so it is a hierarchical clustering which builds model based on distance connectivity. If we consider a centroid models, the K-mean algorithm represent each cluster by a single mean vector. If we consider distribution models, the clusters are modeled using statistical distributions such as multivariate normal distribution used by the expectation maximization algorithm. If we go for density model, it's a DBSCAN and optics which define the cluster as connected dense regions in the data space. If we go for subspace model, in biclustering or co-clustering or two-mode clustering, here clusters are modeled with both cluster members and relevant attributes. Then this clustering can be distinguished with as a hard clustering and soft clustering or fuzzy clustering. So hard clustering, each object which belongs to a cluster or not, or is a technique where each element must be belong to a single cluster. Soft clustering or fuzzy clustering, each object belongs to each cluster to certain degree, or it is based on a membership score that define how much the elements are compatible with each cluster. If we consider an example, is a likelihood of belonging to that cluster. Another distinguished for the clustering, it can be here I have written one is a hierarchical clustering. Other we have strict partition clustering. Then strict partition clustering with outliers, overlapping or alternative or multi-view clustering. So hierarchical clustering, the objects that belong to a child cluster also belong to the parent cluster. Another is a subspace clustering. So this is all we have studied about clustering and the categories and models of clustering. Thank you.